In this video, I will show you through the steps to buy and sell cryptocurrency using Revolut. Open the Revolut app and tap on the Crypto tab at the bottom. Tap on Trade and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, choose Tether. Tap on Buy and decide how much you want to purchase. You can buy using your home balance. For instance, select €2 worth of Tether. Tap Review Order to see the details. Tap Confirm Order and the transaction will complete instantly. Turn to the Crypto tab in the app. Find the cryptocurrency you own, for example Tether, in your portfolio. Tap on the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Tap Sell, then choose the amount to sell. You can select a specific amount or tap Sell All. Tap Review Order and confirm the transaction. Again, there are no fees and the sale will process instantly. After selling, the funds will return to your home balance. That's how to buy and sell crypto on Revolut quickly and easily. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe to the channel.